Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at Bitcoin. Got it open on a daily chart at the moment. Just going to have a look at this and take out the wicks for a moment so we can get a clear idea of some daily levels back here. So around where the price is trading at the moment, if we go back, we've got a resistance level here. So that's a daily, 1D, there it is, level daily. And we have a key level above where current price is. We can go further back with that one. And then we've got these highs over here that come into play here. And then under, we have these levels here. We can take it back. Just a few levels that we need to be mindful of around where the price is. And we'll go to a lower time frame and that'll kind of make sense. So there are our daily levels. Let's just check and see what we've got on the weekly. Just having a look at this from a price action perspective as well, how it's shaping up. So we'll just throw in a couple of weekly levels, especially around here. Like, okay, there's a weekly level right here. We'll just mark that out, and that's slightly below where the current price is, so level W. All right, well, we'll bring the wicks back in to the chart. Wicks, okay, and then we'll go down to, for 4 hour, have a look at that. Kind of working out a bit of a game plan here for a potential trade opportunity. Right, so big downtrend. Notice how it's kind of flattened out here. The momentum to the downside's waning. If we open this up, get a bit closer. So we've traded into right here, weekly, daily. There we are. Okay, this whole range through here is a big level of support. Right through, big level of support. So where to from here? You know, I'm thinking, we have these lower highs. There's no trade set up for me at the moment, but if we go down to a 1 hour chart, what I'd be looking for would be something like, okay, so see we're starting to gain a little bit of traction. It's traded back up. I'd have to see before I get involved with this. If I grab a parallel here, this is the range for me, seriously, and up to here at least before I think about getting involved. You know what you could do? Set an alarm. If it breaks this range here, I'm interested. So I think I've got my alarms here somewhere. Alert. And if it breaks this range down here, I'm interested. We'll do that. So the kind of thing that I'm looking for would be if we get, see how we broke below here? We didn't really get the retest and fail, although we're kind of ranging through here at the moment. For me to get involved here, I'd need to see, like especially this weekly, daily weekly combo here, a break, retest, and then I want to see it roll over, and then I'd be interested around about here. And my target would be this guy, target 1. Well, target 1 for me is generally pretty tight. I'll take 70% of my position off fairly early, and then I'll let the rest run. Apart from that, we could start grinding up. Where do I get involved? I'd have to see, a break of this range up here. And pretty much the same thing would apply. I would just let it grind up. If we got a break of this high here, I could get interested. If I see it fail here and, we pick up a bit of pace with it, sure. What's the prediction? What's the price prediction for Bitcoin? No idea. Nobody knows. It'll go wherever smart money wants it to go. And we've got all the technical analysis in the world, which does give you an edge. But at the end of the day, let me just open this up. It's these big players that make the decisions. All it takes is one trader around here to decide to pump this. Given that we're at this level, we could just consolidate here. They could be building their positions in. They're planning their move right now. They know where they want to take this. For me, look, yeah, I'm invested in Bitcoin, and the moon is kind of my, it's my target, right? I believe that Bitcoin's on its way to however many hundreds of thousands. I do believe that. At the moment, the way that I would approach this is simply to dollar cost average in. Like I'll invest in Bitcoin. So dollar cost averaging in is my thing. Every time we get a dip, chuck a little bit more in there, regardless of where it goes. Okay, that's just buy and hold the asset, right? Trading it, look, I don't know. Nobody knows. It's all guesswork, and they're out there kind of drawing lines and scribbles all over the place. Here is the thing. Let the market tell you where it's going to go. And what we can do is, if we see the momentum, we see the break and retest of these ranges, go down to a lower time frame, 15-minute, 30-minute chart. And when you get close to the action like this, even lower, like 5-minute chart, this is where, like if it's approaching, or if it's broken through, for example, if we get a break down through here, the 5-minute, the 3-minute, even a 1-minute chart is gonna show me what the market's doing, and it'll invite me in. Definitely will invite me in. If we get this and it trades back up here, big level, and I start seeing this roll over, lower highs and lower lows or whatever on the lower time frame, that's it. You just follow the chart and let it kind of invite you in. Let me just clean this up a little bit. So here's the thing. There you go. We're getting a little bit of upward momentum here. If we go back over here, here's my chart layout. A couple of ideas I've been posting on TradingView over here. We can have a lot of fun with this on a lower time frame. For example, if we open this up, there's a buy signal. We're in. We set our stop loss. We take profit early. Did we get taken out? Depends where you put your stop loss. So take 70%. Leave 30% in. If we came out of this unscathed here, by the way, if the 30% gets taken out after we've closed 70, so there's our close here for 70. If we lose 30 here, we're in the money overall, 1-to-1. This is my strategy. Have a look at my scalping Bitcoin videos. There's a playlist. Let's say our stop loss didn't get hit down here, and that was our entry. We've left 30% in, and now we're trading up here. We're still in this. In fact, this is the thing. This is a 1-minute chart, and what you can do, see how we've traded here now out of this cloud? If this was your entry, or you went for this break and retest here, there's the opportunity. There's the break of the range. There's the break and retest and fail. There's your trade. If you want to be aggressive, get in early. If you're a little bit conservative, you can wait. But the thing is, if you did get in here, stay in now until we see this trade into the cloud. That's a cloud. That's this thing here. That's a cloud. Or you see the first red arrow, red up arrow. That's your exit after these. You want to get involved in these consolidation ranges on the higher time frame, where we can go for these opportunities on the lower time frame and build your Bitcoin. Just keep banking free Bitcoin over and over again. 1-minute chart. Have a look at my scalping videos. What I'm doing with the scalping videos is it's a series on how to build your account. We started with a $10,000 account here, so we're approaching 11. Profitable trades. You can see what I'm doing here is working, and you can have access to my indicators, to my Telegram channel. It's all in the links below, the video in the description. In my last video, that was the Grow Your Crypto Account, scalping the 1-minute chart. Yesterday, I was talking about let's start inviting some losing trades in here to make more money. Okay? Because prior to that, we had, 12, 13, however many trades without any loss. I was being super conservative with that, just to kind of show that this is possible. Pulling the stop loss to break even or better, but you limit your profitability. So watch my video 5, or in fact watch the whole series, video 1 to 5. And I'll be doing another one on this shortly, but where we look to leave the stop loss where it is. I'll just go out of here. Like, for example, if this is the trade down here, let me clear that. The scalping strategy, we enter, we go target 70% quickly, and then we set up a stop loss, 30% as I mentioned, leave it in, and if it gets hit, fine, we're still overall in profit here. But if it happens to come out unscathed, this is where you really build your account. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Build your Bitcoin. Free Bitcoin. This is just free Bitcoin. Just keep siphoning money out of the markets. Tap into it and enjoy. Alrighty, with that, have a great day. Stay tuned. subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell, all of that stuff. See you in the next one.